Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you all how to make chicken tikka barra in gravy. This recipe I have taken chicken with bones. Please take chicken with bones. These are cleaned and washed. Now I need few dry spices, salt, then black pepper, then garam masala, cumin powder, turmeric, red chili powder, pinch of salt, and this is chaat masala. So these are the few spices which I need to mix over here later, of course. Now first I need to marinate the chicken. I'll put a little bit of lemon juice. Maybe 1 spoon, 2 spoons of yogurt, 2 spoons of ginger garlic and green chili paste. This will be on a spicer side a little bit, and all these spices will go together. And I need to marinate this at least for half an hour. Chicken has been marinated for almost an hour. Here in the frying pan I have taken 2 spoons of vegetable oil, as you can see. And with this I'm going to add just 1 cube butter. And now I'm going to fry these tikka pieces one by one. I'm going to flip the side . These chicken have already these grilled marks. So I'm going to flip these sides and allow the chicken to cook at least for another 15 minutes by covering it. Chicken and yogurt have released a lot of moisture, as you can see. Now I need to dry this. Water first. Chicken is still getting cooked, still a little bit of water left. And here in another pot I am going to fry onion and green bell pepper. Chicken pieces have been well fried and they have got grill marks. I need to remove this now. Fried oil is left. I haven't washed this thing. With this I am going to add butter. This requires a little bit of butter. And I'm going to add this marinated paste which was left over. So that marinated paste is already fried. Now at this point I'm going to add the important ingredient, that is the fresh cream. This is a must. Along with this, I'm going to add 2 green chilies and a little bit of coriander leaves. And then I'm going to add the fried chicken tikka pieces. And the chicken tikka barra in gravy is ready. I'm going to switch off the gas now. to mix this. So this chicken tikka barra is ready. So if you like the recipe, do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.